Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will let to show you the way how you can remove the emoji stickers from the video that you have with the CapCut. So you just need to open the project that contains emoji. You can see that my video here has this emoji, and whenever we play, this emoji just appear in the whole video, and whenever you tap into the emoji, there is no action that we can do. There is no button that we can access to remove this emoji. So let's just find it. Just take a look on this button features, guys, and then just need to type into the text, then the section of the emoji will be activated. Tap into the section and there will be like several buttons there. One fix, so this is the button that you can use to remove the emoji. Just tap it and this emoji will be removed. So that's for today's tutorial. If you still have some question to ask, just drop in the comment sections below. Let's meet again into other tutorial, and thank you.